Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a mystery bag to share with you and it is from MAC. This is what it looks like. So it comes in this MAC pouch. Inside contains 7 hero products. It has a value of £75 and you can purchase it off the MAC website for £35. If you're interested in this mystery bag for yourself, then you will find a link to this bag down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. So we got a card. This is to book a free virtual consultation. There's a QR code there which you scan. Choose your custom 30 or 60-minute appointment and get expert answers on makeup questions plus tips and tricks as our artists guide you through an online tutorial unique to you. Do you actually speak to real people, or is it all like you know, like a chat bot type thing, you know? I don't know, if any of you have had any of these online consultations, let me know. On the back then it gives a list of all the products inside, but it doesn't go into detail about it, just tells you what it is and the ingredients and things like that. So not a lot of information there. But as with anything that you buy on MAC, you always receive a freebie, and currently they're giving everyone a Fix Plus. It's a Prep and Prime setting spray. This is gorgeous. This is the second time. This is the second time now I've had one of these. Look, a little handy spray, handbag friendly, and I think how much is in here? 5 mils maybe? Oh, it's 2.5 mils. I love that. I know it's a little teeny tiny one, but I just thought that's so handy to have. So yeah, I've got 2 of them now. First up, I'll show you the product that they had on their website. So not all the items were mystery, and we got to see this, which is a Burgundy ×9 eyeshadow palette. And this retails for £26. You can see the colours better there. They are really, really pretty colours. Really lovely. I love these 2. Ooh. I love these 2 down there. Yeah, really nice sort of transition. Taupey, burgundy. I'll do. Ooh, it feels so smooth. Super, super smooth. Okay. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, that is beautiful. Look at the shades there. Yeah, that's stunning. Really, really chuffed with that. And it's magnetic. So that's the first item. Next up, we've got a mascara. And this is an Extreme 3D mascara. I think that's what it's called. I'll have a double check now. In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. And it retails for £22. And this is full size. Now, I've already got one of these. And I've yet to try it. It's in a little box of ready to try products that I haven't got round to doing it yet. I think I either received it in maybe the last MAC sort of limited edition box. It was in the shape of lips. It was either in that or in a advent calendar. I can't remember, but I've definitely got it. And I do really like the wand, but I can't tell you what it's like because I haven't tried it yet. So I'll see. And last of the full size items, we've got a lipstick. And this is a matte lipstick in shade Myrrh. So a gorgeous rosy pink shade there. And again, I've already got one of these. Yeah, really pretty. And these matte lipsticks retail for £17.50. Now the last 3 items are little samples. And look, I've got another Fix Plus. But it's slightly bigger. Oh my gosh, I'm a sucker for these little minis. This is 5 mils. This is the freebie that came with any order. And yeah, and this is in the bag. How cute is that? I love this spray. Absolutely love it. It's one of my favourites. Oh. Yeah, it's one of my favourites. Oh, I've even got the gold lit one as well. I like that. That's my summertime setting spray. I go nuts with this setting spray. I spray all over my face. My face is soaking wet, but then I just love the way my skin looks afterwards. It looks glowy, dewy, without being completely and utterly saturated. It does die down. And yeah, it's not as great as holding makeup as, say, Urban Decay All Nighter. That is the type of setting spray I would use if I was going out for the night, or if I was going somewhere special like an all-day event or something like that. Not that I ever go to them, but you know what I mean, that sort of thing. Then I'd do that. But if I just want a really nice looking face, skin, then yeah, I've got this. I've got loads of them though. I've got lots of different setting sprays because I'm a little bit obsessed with them. But no, I do love this one. Next then, we have got a lip gloss. And there's 7 mils here. I'll put a little blob on top of the lipstick, just to see. Super sticky. I do love these. I do really like them. But when my hair is off my face, as otherwise it just does my head in because hair flaps all over the place and gets stuck to my lips then. But yeah, a lip gloss. There you go. Last item in the bag, we've got a strobe cream, and there's 6 mils there. Tiny bit here. There, you might not be able to see much. There, you can sort of see a shine. Hopefully, you can see there. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's really pretty. It's pearlescent, but me personally, I don't like it. I've tried it before and it's not for me. So there you go. So that's the last of the items. So I'll just gather them all up and give you a bit of a recap. So we got the matte case. We've got a burgundy ×9 eyeshadow palette. We've got an In Extreme Dimension 3D mascara. We've got a matte lipstick in shade Myrrh. Got a mini Fix Plus setting spray. Got a mini lip gloss, and then lastly you've got a mini strobe cream. So the cost of the bag is £35 and it has a value of £75. I don't own many matte eyeshadows and I really love the colours. Seeing them in person too, I really do like them. There's some gorgeous shades there. So yeah, I can't wait to give them a try and see what they like. They feel amazing on my skin, on my hand, and they look really great as well. They just feel so buttery smooth. Yeah, they're beautiful. Yeah, the lipstick I've already got, the mascara I've already got, setting spray I've already got, the strobe cream I don't particularly like, but that is fine. I've yet to try the mascara. I might fall in love with it, which means then I've got another one, which is brilliant. But yeah, the standout product for me is definitely the eyeshadow palette. But as always, I'd love to know what you think. Have you bought this mystery bag for yourself? What are your thoughts on it? Are you thinking, oh wow, that is really quite good? Or are you thinking, oh gosh, that's not great at all? Now, all your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.